is officially the last Japan video, and that means it is finally time for me to announce my merch. I've been building this for the last year. I'm doing a pre-sale for the next 2 weeks until Sunday the 15th. I'm putting something special into every single one of those orders, so get in quick to make sure you get that. Money will not buy that, so you cannot get it again in the future. So make sure you get on that. And yeah, so quickly I'm gonna run through each shirt so you can understand where I've come from and what I'm doing. But yeah, main emphasis was on design. Really wanted to build something that was high quality, thicker material, thicker collar, just something I'd wear to gym, something all of you guys can wear to gym or to the workshop or whatever you're doing, like nice casual wear, you know what I mean? I don't feel like there's enough of that in this space. So really wanted to fill that gap. And yeah, so blue turd design, this is my favorite. It's got the blue turd in my favorite era of it, no front bumper, fully beaten, red guards, obviously. And on the back, retro baby, big old party drive in this car, so that's what I want to represent on the back. And yeah, so design number 2, the safe bet, Renrag Ureshingu. So this is a Japan design, and it just sort of represents me. So obviously Renrag Racing, my brand, Renrag Ureshingu, wireframe AU Fiaken, and then obviously Indigenous flag, my logo, and then Archfield Drift Park, which is obviously the place that helped build all of this and start me off on this journey. So hopefully you can get around that. I think that's a really cool piece. This also comes out in a hoodie as well, which unfortunately I don't have with me because that's on the Gold Coast. But the hoodie is my favorite hoodie I've ever owned. So got that, and then also got one other design that I'll put here. I don't have that at the moment, that's also on the Gold Coast. That's just a shirt as well. And then the logo on that as well. I will be releasing that in a sticker. So jump around that. But yeah, the plan behind each of those was basically a car shirt that you can wear to anywhere, really car people. This one, just a loud, fun vibe that really anyone can have and enjoy. And then, yeah, just a logo. So anyone that even just wants to support me that doesn't like cars or doesn't want a really loud, bright shirt, whatever, they can also jump on board. And I would really appreciate that. So, yeah, I guess we'll get back to the video, but yeah, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate all the support. Obviously, this has been a massive project, and I'm trying to, yeah, come to terms with all that now. So hopefully you're as excited as I am. Let's get back to the video. And good morning, you gronks. It's fly out day, and I am back at the track. I definitely wasn't meant to be, but turns out they want me to take as many of the tyres that I didn't use as I can, and I can't fit them in here. So basically I'm gonna go remount some more tyres and drive like an absolute degenerate and just bake tyres. So that's the plan. Third gear everywhere, all of the clutch kicks, and then yeah, hopefully I don't break more stuff. But blow through some tyres, stack the rest up, get to the airport and fly home. So that's the plan for today. Xavier's about to come here as well. I think he's gonna pull his diff out. This bloke, I swear to God, all he's done is work on cars. I feel so bad for him, but yeah, gonna do that. He's gonna weld his diff up, and then hopefully we get some laps together. We'll see. Either way, I'm gonna have some fun, so enjoy. So me being the genius that I am, while I was waiting for Xavier, I've just done fiberglass on my fly out day, so now I'm covered in fiberglass. Bloody fucking.
Hello.
How's it going? So I finally got my merch as well. Have a go, boys. Ooh, she wants to take off. And that's the front, which you've probably seen in a couple of videos. You get the point. And this is one of the other designs. Very simple, very basic. Nothing on the back. Just that on the front, little logo for the people that aren't into drifting but still want to support my shit. I would really appreciate that. And then I'll show you the last one. Ready? So I can't decide whether this one or the first one is my favorite, but I reckon it's this one. How good's this? What a weapon of a shirt. And wait, have a look at the front. I love the front. So it's the same as the back, except without all the writing. Have a look, have a look. Very tough. Anyway, so that's it. And then I got a hoodie as well. Better take a photo of that. A bit dirty because I've been wearing it for the last like couple days since I've been here, but how good's that? Pretty tough though. We'll be getting a couple changes, but yeah, gonna be pretty much exactly how it was planned. Oh, this side even has some fleck to it because of the angle run I was doing earlier. Yeah. So same as the first design I showed you. First design? I can't remember what I showed you first. I think it was the first design, but I love the hoodies. I reckon the hoodies are gonna be one of the best sellers. Go to the website, which I'll leave a link for here, and go hit the pre-order. That'd be amazing. I've just spent literally 3 hours changing tyres, but at least they can all now fit in the car. So now I'm gonna go for laps. I've got about 20 minutes to pack up and go home. But anyway, laps. For the grip, I'm just like, it's not there. You're like, no, we're going that way. Back. That was a big backy, but that was, yeah. I just needed a touch more track.
just a wee bit.
I'm just gonna check my bars still on. Check if I bent that exhaust as well.
Yeah.
Probably have.
You're all good.
It's all on?
Yeah.
Falcon. Telling you. Let's go, let's go! I need to go faster! Let's go! Let's fucking go! He went too big. But now he gets it.
So just somewhere in the middle.
Yeah.
You're sweet.
Yeah, 100%.
You're good. Brilliant.
What I needed to do was get off the handbrake a touch earlier and let the wheels rotate backwards.
Yeah, yeah.
Just keep that clutch in and just let it actually start walking backwards.
Yeah. I'm done. I'm fucking hazards on. I'm going home. I'm throwing 360 entries at 140 up the hill or some shit. I don't even fucking know. I'm a fucking piece of shit. I am leaving. I do not need to write my shit off on the last day like that. Do another
anyway,
360. Do another 360.
Do another 360.
done like 3 times. The two just got back out of the car, and then I saw Loki pull up. So, gonna go have a drive with Loki before I go home. Hopefully. I was meant to be going through no more tyres, but I have gone through one more tyre. Whoop the daisy! Alright, got some laps in, got some backies in, got a 360 in, very tough. We're done. We are going home. I'm now rushing for a flight because I had to pay my bill and I didn't have enough cash, so I had to get some more cash and whatever. Anyway, race car, good. Home, bad, but leaving anyway, very sad. Thank you for watching. This has been a lovely trip and I can't wait for the next one. So thank you for the support. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Love you, bye.